Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. eVTOL stocks are soaring today, so let's take a closer look. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Stocks in the eVTOL industry are on the rise today, so we're going to be taking a look at what is going on and the news behind their recent gains. Now, if you aren't familiar, eVTOL is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, basically an electric helicopter or oversized drone for humans. Their combination of propellers and wings allows them to take off vertically like helicopters, yet fly like planes, and their electric motors, creating quiet atmospheres, allow them to be used where people live and work. Many believe that eVTOLs will be the future of aviation, as they refer to air taxis, taking customers short distances, and even applications in air cargo. And there have been a few companies leading the way with this advancing technology. Now, just before we get into those stocks, this is just a reminder that right now TipRanks is having a great sale. You can get 40% off premium subscriptions and 50% off a newsletter of your choice. So that includes newsletters like their Dividend and Smart Investor. So follow the links in the description down below to unlock some fantastic research tools. Now let's jump right into these eVTOL stocks. We're going to start off with Joby Aviation, as they are leading the charge with some big growth today. Their stock trades under the ticker JOBY, currently priced at $8.66. Now, their stock has seen overall growth of 61% over this last year, but has jumped up huge today, currently up 35%. Now, the reason behind their big gains today? Well, Joby Aviation just received a permit to fly their first eVTOL built on a production line. Joby Aviation just announced that they have received a special airworthiness certificate for the first aircraft built in its pilot production line in Marina, California. This will allow flight testing to begin. The aircraft is expected to become the first ever eVTOL aircraft to be delivered to a customer. Their production line and aircraft have been built in close collaboration with their strategic partner and investor, Toyota. Toyota is actually the company's largest external shareholder, having invested around $400 million into the company. And the two recently signed a long-term agreement for the supply of powertrain and actuation components. This production prototype builds on 6 years of flying full-scale aircraft and marks an important step towards certification and production at scale. Joby Aviation plans to begin commercial passenger operations in 2025. They've actually partnered with Delta Airlines to offer rides to Delta customers to and from airports. While the Joby Aviation stock only has 3 current analyst ratings, they do all come in with a buy. Their average price target came in at $9 per share, which used to be some pretty big upside potential, but the stock has nearly reached that today with 36% gains. We can see the most recent coming in within the last 5 days here. Of course, a rising tide lifts all ships. Another big name in the eVTOL industry is Archer Aviation, who's also on the rise today. Their stock trades under the ticker ACHR, currently priced just shy of $4 per share. Now, they've seen overall growth of 19% over the past year, and did see a big spike up earlier in June, and today are up 18% along with the Joby Aviation news. But Archer Aviation has also had some notable news of their own. A filing recently showed that Stellantis now holds an over 10% stake in the company. Stellantis, of course, is an automobile conglomerate behind big vehicle names like Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, and Jeep. In a recent press release, Stellantis and Archer Aviation said that they're moving their partnership from concept to execution phase, saying that construction is well underway on the world's first high-volume eVTOL aircraft manufacturing facility in Georgia, USA, and that experienced Stellantis personnel are providing expertise alongside Archer teams to prepare efficient, innovative manufacturing operations. They say that these Stellantis and Archer teams are moving full speed ahead in execution mode to ensure they meet their goals of bringing scalable manufacturing of Archer's aircrafts online in mid-2024. They anticipate that initial manufacturing operations will be capable of producing up to 650 aircraft per year, with room for expansion to support production of up to 2,300 aircraft per year. Manufacturing aircraft at these volumes would make this site the world's leading aircraft manufacturing facility by volume. Archer Aviation has also already partnered up with United Airlines. The pair plan to offer safe, quick, and quiet rides for their airline passengers from the Newark Liberty International Airport to a heliport in downtown Manhattan. The route is estimated to take less than 10 minutes via Archer's all-electric Midnight aircraft. The Archer Aviation stock currently has 4 analyst ratings, also coming in with all buys. And those analysts believe that there's some good upside potential ahead. At $8.50 for an average price target, that would be an upside of over 117%. We can see the most recent ratings here within the last 3 weeks all have upsides over 100%. So there we have the leading two eVTOL stocks, both seeing some sizable gains today on exciting news in the electric vertical takeoff and landing industry. Let me know your thoughts on these stocks in the comments down below and the eVTOL industry in general. Do you see this really taking off? Are you going to take some of these rides to and from airports and other short destinations? I always want to hear what you guys think, so let me know your thoughts. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, especially with some of these riskier, unproven companies. These videos are just to keep you up to date with what Wall Street analysts are looking at and provide some information and entertainment. Make sure you always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you made it to the end of today's video, hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.